Making today.
Jason, do you know what I'm making today?
No, what?
Have any guesses?
I mean, it's in front of me, but I'll take a guess.
There's a lot of different things, Jason, you can make with chicken breasts, okay? I know that you are of the heterosexual brand, so you're familiar with the Dolly Parton breasts, you know what I'm saying? A little shimmy, shimmy, shaky, 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 shippy, ship. Okay, so I have flooded your social media, right? With French burgers and pasta and cheesecakes and fried cheese. So I'm going to teach you something that I learned a while ago, how to make the juiciest, healthiest chicken breast, right? Because I could never make a juicy chicken breast. I either boiled it, which nobody's eating that, or I fry it, fattening, or I barbecue and I smother it in barbecue sauce. All things that are great, but not good for someone who's trying to like be lean and mean, right? Okay, right, I know. We see each other now, okay. So you wanna start with boneless, skinless chicken breast, right? These have been washed, yes. And I let them sit out for 20 minutes before I'm gonna start doing my magic. Dun, 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 dun. So, as I said, the magic is in cooking it, right? Because you want the juicy chicken breast, but it can be any flavor you want. This is what I use. This is what I like. I think they work very well together. They're in a polyamorous relationship and it's fantastic. Onion powder, black pepper, salt. Then you want to do a little paprika, garlic powder, garlic salt. Why? You want more salt. The powder just intensifies the garlic flavor. Lemon pepper. It's gonna give you that, gives you that, you know, oof.
Oh, wow.
There's no measurements for this. You're not gonna get them. This is just what I like. So you're gonna do it on both sides. It might look like I'm doing a lot, but trust me. A lemon pepper never wants to come out as generous as the other. Salt. Once you do this, you're gonna sear it in a
hot, sizzling, piping hot
skillet. 2 minutes each side. You're gonna pop those babies back in the oven. I think that's what I'm gonna name if I have a girl, I'm gonna name her Paprika. I think it's cute.
First of all, ew. Second of all, ew.
So, I'm gonna turn our skillet on. Someone stole my avocado oil, so I'm using grapeseed, which is also good for high heat, I believe. So, that's gonna take a minute to get sizzling hot. And sometimes, somebody also wrote me, I don't know how it's dangerous or why, maybe I'll find out one day and then I'll never forget, how I sprinkle water in there to like see if it's done. They said it's dangerous, but it's my middle name, Danger. Jason, do you think it's hot enough yet?
Well, I guess we're about to find out. Mr. Danger.
That's hot. Take your chicken breasts. There we go. At the 24 mark is when it's gonna be 2 minutes on this side. And you don't fidget with it, because sometimes when you're cooking, you think you need to do this. You just let it do its thing. 2 minutes, flip on the other side. Look at that nice sear. Oh yeah. So once that's done, you throw it in the oven for 15 minutes at 400 degrees. Do your business. Now I'm gonna show you how to make a good sauce. You can use a bullet, you can use your food processor, whatever you like. I have some fresh cilantro, because you don't want the sticks. So again, you can use as much as, I mean, this is the sauce, but if you're someone who doesn't like cilantro, then this isn't for you anyway. I like the taste, so sometimes I use a lot more than I'm supposed to. Spoonful of fresh garlic, 2 spoonfuls of mayo, serrano chili, and then lemon juice, salt. Perfect. Look at that gorgeous chicken. Look at it. Oh, look at that crisp. Look at that. I know. If I wasn't married, you'd propose to me. I get it. Take a little lemon. You're supposed to let it sit for about 5 minutes, but who has that kind of time right now? I do get a lot of messages about where this China's from. There's this famous restaurant in LA that, I don't know, it used to be a thing. It's called the Ivy. It's on Robertson Boulevard. It's been there since forever. This is what they serve, like all of their stuff in their restaurant, but the place next door, they sell all of their China. So I don't know if it was a hint, but for Christmas this year, one of my gifts was like the whole set of china. And it's, for the most part, I think it looks great for a dinner party. I think it looks good for brunch, whatever. It's somewhat affordable. You know, it's like not crazy Hermes or whatever. So, you know, you put like a little greenery on the plate. You garnish with like a little lemons. Now you slice your chicken, okay? Slice. There we go. I mean, what? What are you gonna say to me? Juicy, healthy chicken. There's no fat in this. There's like, you know, we didn't use butter, anything like that. So usually you would, you know, cut it, be sophisticated. Not with this chicken. That's why I cut them in thick pieces, right? So just try it without the sauce. I mean, All right, not using my silverware. I'm gonna take this little fella, dunk it in my secret sauce. You don't have to smother things in cheese. You don't have to fry them. You don't have to use flour. You don't have to use sugar. This is really good. If you're on the keto, if you're on the low carb situation, if you're just trying to feel better about your life, I'm gonna keep eating this. If you enjoyed yourself, hit the like button. Comment if you would like to give me some positive feedback or just tell me you love me. Subscribe. I wanna get those numbers up some more. And ring the bell for the notifications so you know what we're doing, what we're up to. And I just hope you enjoyed me. Duh. All right, until next time, I'll see you kids later. Bye.